Good AM. Today is Tuesday, November 21, 2023, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.